Well, guys, got the O2 sensor out of my F-150, and it actually wasn't too hard to get out. But I just went and cut the wires where the harness went, because they said, oh, you need a special wrench to get to it. I thought to myself, this comes with all new wires. Why would I have to buy a special wrench just to get to it, when I got a wrench myself that I can make? Or I could just cut the wires and loop that wrench across there. And I put a little WD-40 on there, and she popped right off. So, gotta go down and get one. This sensor's bad. I think it's a good indication of why it wasn't running good. So, right now we're gonna do a cold start either on the black Honda or the Avalanche. I'm thinking I should drive the black Honda. But at the same time, I'm thinking I don't want to get out of the garage, so I'm gonna drive my Avalanche. So let's try my Avalanche. Oh God, come on, focus, you stupid Samsung phone. Keep having problems with this dumb phone. It's probably because of that light. Well, anyway, cold start, Avalanche. 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, she's a Chevy. Even though she's a knocking hard, she'll start. Oh, what happened to check engine light? Oh, now I'm very concerned. Oh, she's really charging. The black conduit is over there. I gotta bring that back to my dad. That was nice of him to let me use it. Thank you, Dad. I'm just gonna drive this thing, and that's his car. I hate to drive it. You know, I don't know, it's his car. I drive my old chip boxes here and we'll be good. Have my coffee and start the morning off good, hopefully. Probably not. I'm sure this sensor I'm looking at is probably about 80 bucks or more. Nice. Great. Well, guys, putting my new O2 sensor in my F-150 because it said it was bad. Might will cause half the problems, maybe, hopefully. And so we'll put this together and see if it causes it to run better, which I highly doubt it'll do any difference. But it said that the sensor is bad, and I think if the sensor is bad, it will cause a lot of issues. But we'll find out, and we'll see if we have a nice fire with this WD-40 on here. Sweet. Okay, all two sensors in at 187,556. So it's pretty windy outside, but let's see what goes wrong and see what blows up on it here. Oh yeah, F-150 built up 65 degrees. It's really windy out. I'm gonna take it outside in case it catches on fire here. Effing train out here as usual. Fucking train. Kind of let the sensors go across here, but may run a little weird probably, but just gotta relearn everything. Might have to replace all sensors, but holy crap, Katie's got to get back to cleaning again. Yeah, sure. Well, maybe an inch. Let's see. Oh, it's got a exhaust leak right there. That will cause issues too. Alright, I'll have to fix that. Get a little putty on there. Not the end of the world. Can't hear that damn train, and plus it's so windy out. But take it down the road and see how it runs now. It'll probably be the same old thing. It said that bank 2, sensor 2 was not working, and it was a short-term fill, and it said it was closed loop, and it was using all sensors to run off the engine. Well, one sensor isn't working. That's not good. Geez, it sure seems like it's running pretty good now, and it idles pretty good too. Before it used to idle way down. Okay, well, I'll take it for a drive. I won't video it, but we'll see how it runs.